Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So here is my nighttime routine for my crochet hair. First things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair out of the ponytail that it's been in, and then I separate it into two just to get some hair out of the way, out of my face. And then I'm gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil. This is my favorite oil to use on my scalp. It definitely promotes hair growth and manageability. Another one of my favorite oils to use is jojoba oil and olive oil as well, like a combination of those two. So also with my scalp, I'm going to add in some leave-in conditioner. Now, I did this backwards. I should have just did the leave-in conditioner first and then the oil, but I was tired this day and I was like, oh, well, what's done is done. Something is better than nothing. So keep that in mind whenever you have a protective style. Something is always better than nothing. Give yourself a nice massage after you do that and then do the other side. So once I've done both sides, I'm just going to shake out my hair. And then I'm just going to take my scissors, my hair scissors, and just cut any flyaways. You can also do this in the morning, but I just chose to do it at nighttime. Wasn't that many, but I just cut the few that I saw so that it won't be even more tangles. So after that, I just pull my hair up in a high ponytail or pineapple, whatever you guys want to call it. And then I'm going to start on my leave out in the front. Okay, so what you're gonna see next is me just showing you that I do have breakage. I have like 2 spots on each side of my head that I need to grow back, and that was due to wearing the combs right in the front from wigs. But anyways, I just took the Jamaican black castor oil again with some Shea Moisture and then some Cantu. And then massage that into my hair. And then I also take a little bit of the Main Choice Nothing But Butter. I believe that's what it is. Doesn't get much better than this. Sorry. And then I added that to my hair and then just did a flat twist all the way down. And then I'm just gonna take my scarf at the end of this and put my silk scarf on my head and then go to bed. And that's pretty much it. Very simple routine. I do this all the time. I just keep it very simple, very easy. I don't really like to add any products to the crochet hair. I'd rather use my good products on my scalp, and that's what I'm all about anyways. Making sure that my natural hair is highly moisturized, taken care of, and oiled properly is my main concern. So that's it, you guys. I hope this helped someone out there. It's very simple, easy routine that I do all the time. If you have any questions or comments or anything, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.